Hey, it's Sean, CLT for Kuni Tech Works. I'm here with the tutorial for Notion. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Notion Chrome extension in order to add articles to the wiki. I'm going to include a link where you can download it and install it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is what it's like adding an article to the wiki not using the extension. Basically, just show you how much more tedious it is. Okay, so I have a article here, and it's about being a UX researcher, so that means I would add it to human-centered design on the wiki. So let me get the URL. So I have to copy the URL, go back to the wiki, click on this new box here. Right, so then I'm gonna paste the URL. Now I have to go back and copy the title back to the wiki, paste the title, okay, and it'll set the type to article. And now, okay, so that's that. But now I don't have an image. See how these other ones have images? I don't have an image for this. So now I have to add an image. Okay, so now I have to go back and find an image from the article. Okay, let's use this image. Copy image. Control V. Paste the image. Alright, so that's it, I'm done. But look how much work that was. I'm going to show you how much easier it is with the extension. Let's get started. First you want to do is find an article. Then once you find an article, you want to click on that Notion icon in the browser. You want to make sure you're on the right workspace. So here I'm on the wrong workspace. I'm going to switch to the correct one. And there's the wiki right there. So I want to click on that, and now I'm going to search for a gallery to add the article to. So I want to add to job search. When I type in job search media comes up. That's where I want to add the article. Click save page. Alright, and then you can open it you can open Notion in the desktop app, but I already have it open in my browser. So I'm going to go over here and switch over to the wiki here. I'm going to scroll down. You can also, on the side where it says shared, there's a little navigation menu on the left, and you can quickly switch to where you want to go from there. So I found job search, and I'm looking for the article, and then there I see it right there. Design exercises are evil, US Collective. So let's click on that. And now you can see there's the article title, there's the URL, and you can see that image has automatically been added for us. Let's go back to this article, because I want to show you that you can actually embed the article on Notion. So you don't have to actually load it up in your browser, the article's right there. See how much easier that was? So that's the end of the tutorial. I hope this is useful. Thanks for watching.